Are follower request notifications cluttering your Instagram experience? You're not alone. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to disable those pesky notifications on your PC after the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and you're ready to take control of your notifications. Next, look at the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see the More icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu for you. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Notifications. Click on it to access your notification preferences. Now you're almost there. In the Notifications section, locate and click on Push Notifications. This will give you control over what types of notifications you receive. Finally, find the section labeled Follower Requests. To disable those notifications, simply choose Off. And just like that, you've successfully turned off follower request notifications. Now you can browse Instagram without being interrupted by constant follower request alerts. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your social media experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more streamlined Instagram.